Grand Turk Island is an island in the Turks and Caicos Islands. It is the largest island in the Turks Islands with 18 square kilometers. Grand Turk contains the territory's capital, Cockburn Town, and the Jags McCartney International Airport. The island is the administrative, historic, cultural and financial center of the territory and has the second largest population of the islands, at approximately 4,831 people in 2012. The name comes from a species of cactus on the island, the Turk's cap cactus, which has a distinctive cap, reminiscent of an Ottoman fez. The Lucayan people were the indigenous people of the island, who called it Abavana, meaning, the first small land. The Spanish later called it Amuana. Grand Turk was first colonized in 1681 by Bermudians, who set up the salt industry in the islands. In 1766 it became the capital of the country. For some time, at least until the early 19th century, Grand Turk was often referred to as Grand Cay, not to be confused with either Grand Cay in the Bahamas or Grand Cayman. Grand Turk Lighthouse was erected in 1852 near northern end of the island. The 60-feet lighthouse was designed by Alexander Gordon and built by Chance Brothers in England. It was shipped in pieces and assembled on Grand Turk. Grand Turk has been put forward as the possible landfall island of Christopher Columbus during his first voyage to the New World in 1492. San Salvador Island, a Saman Cay in the Bahamas, is traditionally identified with Guanahani, the site of Columbus's first landfall. But some believe that studies of Columbus's journals show that his descriptions of Guanahani much more closely fit Grand Turk than they do other candidates. Magnetic variations that caused misreadings in Columbus's compasses demonstrate that several of the recorded moorings using a rope-secured anchor to a clear sandy bottom would not have been possible had Columbus sailed from the islands of the Bahamas. In addition, the latitudes recorded in Columbus's diary place the landfall island at 90 nautical miles from Hispaniola, too close for the Bahamas, but almost exactly the distance from Grand Turk. On the contrary, historian Gregory McIntosh has concluded that Grand Turk was not Guanahani but Babueca, an island separately discovered by Martin Alonso Pinzon in November to December 1492. A U.S. naval facility near the Grand Turk Lighthouse, Grand Turk, located about 700 nmi at Antigua and at 4,400 nmi at Ascension Island. In addition to the precise target array, the facility was the terminus of one of the broad ocean area mills that could give good location data over large ocean areas. From 1957 to 1959, USN Mobile Construction Battalion 7 constructed a LORAN station on the island. In 1962, John Glenn's Friendship 7 Mercury spacecraft landed in the vicinity of Grand Turk Island off the southeast shoreline. A replica of the Friendship 7 is on display in Grand Turk at the entrance to the Grand Turk Island Airport. In 1966, at least 5 Arcus-sounding rockets were launched from Grand Turk Island by the USA. Replica of the Friendship 7 Grand Turk Island is seen from space in 2009.